Hello guys, I will be working on a MacBook Air which is 2017. So it's came here not turning on. I will connect it with the DC power supply. Okay. So see, we got green light and then yellow light. That means adapter sense is working, but as you can see, no chime, no fan spin, nothing is happening after that. So we will take the board out and check the logic board. Board look a bit dirty. See, maybe after years of use. Nothing on this side. It's an easy repair when you can see any damaged part, moisture, water or burnt. Yeah, see a little bit of hair. See, it's just moisture accumulated over the years and then start shortening or burning. See this one here, we will find out what that part is. Backlight IC looks okay. Sometimes more often it's the backlight IC which got damaged, but anyway, so this is, let's find out what that part is. Okay, so where is it? I think, yep, that's the one, u1900. Yep, so this is where we have got the damage. Oh no, sorry, that's not u1900, that's this one here, which is u1900. And this is the capacitor here, which we got damage here and here. Okay, let's find out what that IC is. Okay, this is system RTC power source and 32 kilohertz clock. So if the clock generator is not working, then of course the MacBook is not going to power on. Let's come back here. This is what I'm talking about, this one. So u1900, let's give it a clean. It could be the problem here, or it could be somewhere else, because it's not badly damaged. But of course that green thing was there and it's conductive. That can burn anything. Okay, now the first thing is I would like to check. The ends are pretty black, as you can see. Let's check these resistors. So this is 3 resistors here, and I would like to check the resistance if they are, oh come on. So R6123 is 24.9. Yeah, it's not giving me right resistance. They all are same resistance. Yeah, this one is fine, and this one is little bit low, whereas this one is not, is jumping around, not showing anything. So what I'm gonna do, let's replace this IC. Do you guys see what the problem be? Okay, this whole track is gone. See here. So we will scratch it, and then we will make sure the new resistor we are putting is intact with this trace. Okay, let's do the resistor first. Okay, that's the donor board, and let me check. Yep, that's the one, and it looks pretty clean here. And remove it. And all 3 capacitor as well. Okay guys, that looks okay to me now. We will make it a little bit tidy, and hopefully if this is what the problem was, then it should turn on now. Okay, now see how it goes. Now let's check what's gonna happen. Let's see if it's fixed or needs some more time to fix. Okay, I'm looking at the DC. Oh yeah, you can see the fan is spinning. Yeah. All right, and I hear the chime, and there you go. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.